Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you don't know much about this channel, then I do videos related to digital marketing, blogging, SEO, online business, tips, tricks and tools. If you love these categories, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel and make sure you press the bell icon so you do not miss any update. Today's video is going to be about a frequently asked question over YouTube. People ask a lot of time that how do I earn money on YouTube? So I decided that I will make a video on this and I will describe how you can earn money step by step. Let's say you have a baby channel, how much money you can earn and how you can do it. Let's say you have a medium channel, about 5,000 to 50,000 subscribers, how you can money in that. Then let's say you have a large channel which is having 100,000 or more or 500,000 or 1 million subscribers. So let's say you have a channel that is having no subscribers. Let's say you have 200 or 300 subscribers, but you still want to make money on YouTube, right? In that case, I would suggest you doing affiliate marketing, because let's say you are using some softwares or some tools or maybe some gadgets or maybe a camera or maybe a tripod. So what you can do is you can create a video on that and you can take the Amazon affiliate program and link that product to your Amazon affiliate account, so that whenever somebody sees that video and purchases that product, you will get a certain amount of cash. So you do not need a certain amount of subscribers to earn with affiliate marketing. I have earned thousands of dollars doing software reviews when I had no subscribers. So you can also implement this strategy and start with affiliate marketing when you have no subscribers. But yes, you have to make sure that you do proper YouTube SEO. If you don't know about YouTube SEO, you can go to my playlist and check out how to do YouTube SEO for your videos. Now let's say you cross the 1000 subscriber mark and you already crossed the 4000 watched hours. Then what you can do is you can monetize your channel and you can run YouTube ads. So all those ads that you are seeing over YouTube videos, then you click the skip button. So you can also run those ads on your YouTube channel. All you have to do is you have to monetize your channel. YouTube will send an email to your account whenever you are eligible for this. The normal eligibility is 1000 subscribers and 4000 watched hours. But again, you have to make sure that these two parameters are done within 12 months of time. So if you have 1000 subscribers and you have crossed 4000 watch hours in 12 months, then you can go ahead and start monetizing your video. Let's say you are done with affiliate marketing, you are done with the AdSense or the YouTube ads thing. Now what you can do is you can move forward and start few courses. Yes guys, you can sell few courses and you can promote them on your YouTube channel. A lot of people are doing it, they are getting a lot of results, and you can also go forward and create a course and sell it on YouTube. So let's say you have 5 to 10,000 subscribers, you can tell them that this is my course. You can go ahead and you will be getting this much of discount because you are my subscriber. So you can create a community and you can sell them a course and earn some money from YouTube. Now once you cross the 10,000 to 20,000 subscribers mark, what you can do is you can do sponsored videos. There are a lot of companies, there are a lot of brands that will approach you that please do this video for us. Let's say I am doing SaaS reviews. I get a lot of mails from many companies. They tell me that review our particular software. We will give you this amount of money and we will also give you the software to use for a lifetime. In that case, they get promotion, people get to see their product, they get targeted views, and you get money and you also get the access of the software. So this is a win-win situation for both. Once you are famous, once people know that you are a famous YouTuber, what you can do is you can also start providing services. Let's say you have a successful channel, you can provide a service or a mentorship teaching people how they can also leverage their YouTube channel and how they can become successful over YouTube. So you can also mentor them, you can also provide them services like SEO, YouTube SEO. You can provide any services that you want them to provide. Now that you know these are all the methods that you can use, now I will tell you two more methods. The next method that you can use to earn money from YouTube is creating your own product. So if you have that kind of knowledge, if you have that kind of experience or expertise, what you can do is you can go out and create a digital product which you can directly sell on your YouTube channel. Let's say I have a channel that is related to digital marketing. So what I can do is I can create a tool related to digital marketing and sell it to my subscribers. Last but not the least, brand deals. So this is where the big money is, guys. This is where the huge money is. Once you have 1 million subscribers, you can get brand deals. There are also people out there who are getting brand deals at 500,000 subscribers or 200,000 subscribers, but normally the sweet spot is 1 million subscribers. Recently I was following a channel that was doing videos on Call of Duty Mobile. Right now he is having more than 1 million followers, and as on date he is getting funded by Call of Duty Mobile team. So they are giving him money to make videos, they are giving him equipments, they are giving him sponsorship, they are just giving him a lot of money to make those videos. So once you have 1 million plus subscribers, you will be getting brand deals. When I say brand deals means you will be signing contract with larger brands so that you can promote them on your YouTube channel. For that you have to be pretty professional. You must have a lot of engagement and subscribers, and once you have a brand deal with you, then nothing can stop you to become a millionaire on YouTube. So basically those people who are millionaires, they have brand deals, they have YouTube AdSense, they have affiliate marketing, they have all around 4 to 5 income sources attached to their YouTube channel. So if you are thinking how you can make more money on YouTube, then apply these methods I taught in this particular video. So if you think this video was helpful, go ahead, like this video, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, send me a DM and comment below that which particular monetization method is your favorite. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.